Hey friends, if you wish to check and lower CPU usage in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. I'll give you the best option. So, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. I need to tell you something. Earlier, high CPU usage was a major problem which was extensively reported, and Windows had to find a solution to this, but there was no solution. So here's what they did with latest updates. They introduced this efficiency feature. Okay, so if it is running in efficiency, you will be able to optimize it. Okay, and other than that, you can right click on it and then select efficiency mode for other options as well. So if any of these apps are using a lot of CPU, then you can use the efficiency mode for them. Okay, so this is the case, and you can also check their preset values. Wait, you can right click on it and then select the resource values here. If you want to check it in percentages, if you want to check it in values or percentages, for example, if the problem is with the CPU or the disk, then select it at percentages. It will tell you what percentage of disk is it utilizing, and I'll tell you why this works. These days the CPU usage barely reaches 100%. That issue is kind of resolved. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.